In this context, therefore, finance bill, let us not mince our words. We are overtaxing our Kenyans. And this disordered, disconnected, disjointed plans of increasing taxes, of looking for new areas of taxes, which could have been something more organic, systemic, that we have studied the whole system, is what we feel is, one, affecting our country's economy, and secondly, is going to seriously injure the Kenyan, the ordinary Kenyan. We are not against taxes. We believe taxes is a good thing to bring and uplift the common Kenyan and give the social welfare. However, it must be in a rational way. Can we rationalize how we approach the taxes? Can we have a program that is within a year, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, where we want to reach? Let us not try to achieve everything at a go at the expense of our Kenyans, especially the very poor. Let us also think about how we are using the taxes. These taxes, if currently our students in our schools are not receiving capitation, if currently NHIF cannot pay the bills even of the faith-based hospitals, if currently there is such a huge debt and so many hospitals have stopped taking the NHIF card, then why the taxes? If currently we are also having the problem that we want to remove the support of students in universities, which family is going to support 2 children in university with 200,000 shillings a year? Where is this money being used properly? Therefore, right use of these funds must be also a consideration. When we hear that 30% of the income of public funds is being lost in corruption, that's what we should tap. That's what we should stop. Those are the losses that we must cut, so that then they go towards creating a better economic system and environment. So it cannot be a disjointed conversation. We must talk to corruption. We must talk to the use of the taxes. And we must talk to a reasonable demand, especially to the middle class, lower Kenyan, and especially the lower Kenyan. The fares of boda boda have become impossible. People are walking more, and you don't have to go too far to see how many more people are walking. Our boda people, the income has reduced, the informal sector. Now we want to go there and still cripple it further. I feel there must be some other way we can sit, and we have experts who can assist us together with government so as to find a reasonable, progressive, and rational and strategic way of achieving the same goals of uplifting our country. Therefore, we have appealed to the government to listen to those voices that have been brought in the public participation, those voices of many Kenyans that have said, we are overtaxed. The economic situation is very unfavorable. We are strained economically, and therefore give us a breather. Let's look for an alternative way. Our legislators, kindly, let us be guided by conscience. Let nothing else influence our decision. Listen to the people and forget about the political divisions and pressures. This is not about which side, which political persuasion you have. It's about the good of the welfare of Kenyans. Let us vote, let us legislate for what best serves more than 80% of this country, that are Kenyans receiving less than 30,000 shillings a month as a family income.